Hi, you're welcome to ProWeb Digital E-Learning Hub. In our today's video tutorial, we're going to be looking at the practical step-by-step guide on how you can file annual returns for a business name. And part of what we are going to be looking at is what is annual filing, when to file your returns, required documents, an annual filing fee for the business name. So let's quickly look at these key areas before we dive into the practical section. Now, before we proceed, I would like to introduce you guys to our online course where you can learn more about different types of registrations. We recently launched our website and we offered various online courses when it comes to company registration, business registration, NGO registration. So you can check the description of this link, or at the top of the screen you will see a link. Click on it. It will direct you to our website where you can get access to our CSE registration courses. Okay, let's look at the subject matter of this particular tutorial. What is annual filing? Annual filing is a fee that is payable to the Corporate Affairs Commission on annual basis in order to keep the status of your registration active. Now, it is expected, going by the Company and Allied Matters Act 2020, that every registered business entity should file their annual returns to the Corporate Affairs Commission for their registration, right? Now, the second one is, when should you file your annual returns? Annual returns for business name should be filed on annual basis. Now, if you register your business in the year 2020, it is expected that you commence your annual filing the following year, being 2021, and subsequent years. And the deadline for annual filing is 30th June of the following year. The third one is required document to carry out annual filing. One of the documents you need is the status report, so that you can be able to extract information of the owner of the business while carrying out the filing. And also you will need the total sales for that year. Now, let's take for instance that you wish to carry out annual filing for the year 2021 for your business or for a client. The total sales, which is from 1st of January to 1st January 2020 to 31st December 2020, you need to get the total sales, put it in the portal. Apart from the total turnover, which is also known as the total sales, the commission also needs the net asset of the business. The net assets represents the capital. Now, what is the capital of that business as at that year, 2021, that you wish to file for? Now, the fourth key area that you need to take note before we move into the practical section is the annual filing fee for the business name. The annual filing fee for the business name. Now, the cost for annual filing is 3,000 naira, excluding bank charges. That is the cost for annual filing. Then, if you have not been filing your returns for a good number of years, for every year you are expected to pay penalty of 5,000 naira. So that's all about um, the key notes I want you guys to uh, have before we proceed to the practical section. Okay, guys, having looked at the keynotes before filing an annual return for a business, the next thing is for us to dive into the practical section as promised. The first thing is you need to log into your post incorporation portal. When you log into your post incorporation portal, you'll be directed to this web page. Then you need to search for the business that you wish to file for. Let's take for instance, I want to file for ProWeb. Now you can use the business name or the BN number, so whichever is acceptable. ProWeb Digital. You would click on search. You'll now be directed to the search result. Click on proceed to dashboard. Okay, good. Now under annual returns, we'll click on start annual returns. Scroll down to select the filing year. For now, we only have 2024 outstanding. You click on start process. Scroll down to, when you click on start process, you'll now be directed to this form. You look at the business name details, confirm the details is okay, principal place of business, the address is okay, branch address if any. Then under particulars of proprietors or partners, as you can see, when you scroll down below, you will see that it has already been auto-filled. You understand? So, but just in case yours has not been auto-filled, All you just have to do is for you to input the personal details of the proprietor of the business, starting by selecting the proprietor. If it is individual proprietor, corporate partner, minor proprietor, proprietor or trustee, so whichever. Then under personal details, this way you have to fill in the personal details of the proprietor. When you're done with that, you scroll down, you select the means of identification, put the identification number, then you click on add partner. Automatically it will be added to the proprietors list. When you're done with that, you hover to the annual returns details for the year 2024. Beneath it, you will see the financial year. Our financial year that we want to file for is for 2024. So you select 2024, then always start with 1st January. Good. Then the financial year end is the same year 2024, December 31st. That is the usual standard. Now the turnover, like I explained earlier, the turnover represents the total sales for that year, starting from 1st January down to 31st December 2024. Turnover, what is the turnover? 25 million, for instance. Put in 25 million naira, 25 million naira. The net asset represent the capital as at the year end. Net capital, I will use 5 million naira. So that's all about that. Then under authentication, you have to provide the name of the proprietor. I will use my name because I'm the proprietor of the business. So use my name here. Okay. Then description, managing director. Good. Click on save and continue. You'll not be directed to the preview stage where you have to go through your respective information. When you're done with that, click on proceed to payments. Click on remitter. Ensure you copy the remitter number just in case you have challenge at the cost of after making payments. Now it's directing us to the remitter portal where we have to select the payment option that we wish to use for the payment. Good. Click on submit. Good. So you have to input your details and make payment. After making payment and your payment has been confirmed, you go back to your dashboard. As you can see, the application have not been submitted. So don't need to panic. All you just have to do is for you to click on not submitted. Then you click on continue, scroll down, click on save and continue, scroll down, click on upload document, here. Now for business name, the financial statement is optional, so I'll click on submit. I don't need to upload any financial statement here. Process completed successfully. So you go back to the dashboard, annual returns dashboard, you can see it has been submitted. That is the reason why it is showing under pending. That is how to file annual returns for a business name. So after applying for your annual filing, you need to send a mail to send your receipt of payment so that they can treat your request within 24 hours. So that's all about that. They post at cac.gov.ng, send a mail to them. So guys, based on high demand, we have designed our own online courses where we wish to teach our students the practical step by step in a well structured manner on how they can be able to perform or carry out the different forms of registration. So whether you want to register a school, you want to register a church, you want to register an NGO, you want to register a company, a business name, you can always learn that from our official website. Now to access this website, all you just have to do is for you to visit elearning.prowebdigital.com.ng, or you can check the description of this video. We're going to drop the link to our CC registration course website, or you can check at the top of the right corner of the screen. Click on it, you'll be directed automatically to our website. So let me just give you a preview about the website. So when you visit the website, this is the marketplace. As you can see, scroll down under the featured courses. We have been able to upload some relevant courses that will enable you to start up your registration process. Like I said earlier, if you want to learn how to carry out a business name, a company, partnership, NGO, and so on and so forth, you can check the 4-in-1 CAC pre-incorporation course. This is the 4-in-1 course that enable you to have a well-structured and detailed knowledge about how to carry out the different forms of registration. And one good thing about our course is we are able to embed or provide all relevant documents that you need to carry out the registration. Now, to get more insight about the course, you just have to click on the 4-in-1 CC pre-incorporation course link. When you click on it, you will now be directed to the product page where you can get more insights or knowledge about what the course is all about. Now you can see under the course info about course, it has been provided. What you will learn, how to register a business name, covers the full arms of CAC registration. Now the course content, you can see it here. Then materials included. Like I said earlier, we have included the consent letter for business upgrade. We included minute templates. We understand that one of the key challenges when it comes to CAC registration is documentation. Most people don't really have the knowledge, they don't really know the required documents that is needed to facilitate their registration, and that is the reason why they keep on getting queries from CAC. But with the aid of this, our master course, you will be able to understand the step-by-step guide on how you can carry out your registration, and also you will have access to all relevant documents needed to facilitate your registration. So that is how it is. So to make purchase is very simple. You just have to click on I've done this before. Click on add to cart. You will now be taken to the cart section for you to check out. It's very simple and flexible. Now you click on proceed to checkout. Enter your details. Click on create an account with Learning Pro Digital Hub. Enter your billing address and so on and so forth. So when you're done, click on place order. You will now be directed to where you need to make payment. As soon as you make payment, automatically you will be enrolled and you will start enjoying a course and have access to relevant documents that you need. As simple as that. So apart from this 4-in-1 course, yes, we also have different standalone courses like the NGO or foundation registration. So just in case your own interest is on NGO, so you can subscribe to the NGO course registration. And also we have course for upgrade of business name to company. So if your interest is on company upgrade, maybe you have an existing business and you want to get it upgraded to a limited liability company, you can subscribe to this course. It's very sweet. Now the next one is partnership business registration. If you want to register a partnership business and you don't know how to go about it, you can subscribe to this course. You can see that of business name and company registration. Now we are still working on adding more courses. Our IT teams are working closely to ensure that they get the other courses uploaded before the end of this month. And apart from issues related to CAC, we are also working on other relevant courses that may suit your interest, like how number one of it is the exportation certificate. If you want to know how you can get your export certificate, you are going to learn it from our website. So we are working on that to get it uploaded. Yeah. And apart from that, we're also working on other courses like NAFDAC registration, pension, and so on and so forth. So feel free to subscribe, and you can always reach out to us through any of our contact means.